Hey folks, welcome to Software Testing Hacks. Today, I have come up with an interesting video where certain times we software testers doesn't know certain words. Say, suppose in case of front end, there are technologies, different frameworks are there. When we talk to developers and if we get to know about certain frameworks, we will not understand like what is that, okay? So rather than getting puzzled, so today I'm making a video so that you will get to know little more understanding of the front end technologies that generally developers are using nowadays. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Basically, first thing you should know is about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, so which is the base to the developers to develop any application. So using those HTML tags, okay, suppose say there is a para, okay, there is certain set of text that needs to be written, so which will be enclosed in P tag, okay. If it is a link, it will be enclosed in A tag. So there are different tags that are available. Using that, those languages, the hypertext markup language, so you wherever the UI, however the basic design of the front end is based on this HTML. And to provide the styling, to provide the basic styling, how it should look and how the corner should be, how much padding is required, so all that, the styling will be done using something called a language or a framework called CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Okay, so as an alternative, we can also use something called Bootstrap. So to provide the proper design to the UI, so the CSS will be used. So we learned about two different things now. And finally, something called JavaScript. Okay, so right now the JavaScript is in demand, correct? So JavaScript is also a front-end technology as well as it is used for back-end as well. So whereas in front-end, when it comes to the providing the interaction, providing the navigation or certain things, or providing certain, suppose say if you want any pop-up to be displayed, okay, so then at that time you can use this JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript is another technology or the language, programming language that is used to completely develop a whole of the UI from the front end. Okay, so these are the major technologies which are being used to develop a particular application. So this is very basic. Okay, coming to the framework end, there are different frameworks that are available. So mainly the first framework we're gonna discuss is React.js. Basically, React is a JavaScript library, okay, which is built upon the JavaScript, which is most popularly used framework. Okay, it is a library. It is not a programming language basically. So it is a library. So using that, we can develop the application. Okay. And next, coming to Angular. Angular is a comprehensive framework which is provided by the Google, and it is popular for building the dynamic and then enterprise grade web applications. Next is Vue.js. Vue is one of the, or Vue or Vuetify also it is called as. It is known for its simplicity and flexibility because it is often used for building lightweight but the powerful user interfaces. Okay, so three different frameworks we spoke about. One is React.js, and then Vue, and then Angular. Okay, so there are certain other things as well, like jQuery. It is not used for the new projects. For older applications itself, this is used. Basically, you can say it as a legacy. The next framework we are going to talk is about the Flutter. Flutter has gained more popularity, okay, because of its cross-platform framework for building the natively compiled application for the mobile, web, and then the desktop, okay, from the single code base. So that is why Flutter has more popularity, gained more popularity. So here are the 5 different frameworks and then 3 different technologies we saw to develop a particular web application or even the desktop. And then these also supports, because of its responsiveness, it supports mobile as well as iPad as well. So the different browsers and then the different things it supports, different resolution of the screen also it supports because of its responsiveness. So as a testers, these are the things that is required or very basic understanding that every software tester must have. So hope in this video you learned what are the different programming languages like HTML, CSS, or even you can use Bootstrap for styling, and JavaScript. Okay, these are the basic front-end programming languages, I could say. And 5 different frameworks we learned about. One is React, Vue, Angular, Flutter, and jQuery. So here are those 5 different frameworks that we spoke, and in case if you have any other frameworks if you have heard about, you can just let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll try to cover it up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.